Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to make Spotify louder. So this is especially helpful if you are in a very busy and crowded places and you can hear the song that you're listening into on your AirPods or earphones. So in order to do this, let's just listen to me because I will guide you in every step necessary to accomplish this task. So to do that, let's head over to our Spotify app. And once we're in there, let's head over to our home. And when you're in there, you will see this gear icon in the upper corner right here. So let's click on that gear icon. And this will open all the settings on our Spotify. So what we need to do is to just scroll down and search for the equalizer. So I will just scroll down and search for it. So as you can see, here it is right here. So let's click that. And as you can see, there's also a prompt that will show that equalizer can alter volume unexpectedly on some devices. So this is what we want to do, right? So if you want to experience problems, please disable this. So let's click this don't show again and click on OK. And this will open the equalizer on our settings on Spotify. So you can choose to enable the smart right here, movie, game, music. So you can adjust it to be more realistic. You can be sounds be more immersive, surround sound with clearer vocals, or recognize scenarios and automatically apply. So the best thing that you can do is to just click on smart right here. But for me, I will click on music because we want quality audio, right? So after that, as you can see, we have chosen the music, and then that should be able to alter the songs that we have listened into. So if you try to click and play a song, then you should be able to experience high volumes on that specific song, and you should be able to hear clearer sounds because we have altered the equalizer. So that's the whole process. Hopefully this video helped you to make Spotify louder. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!